Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by heating the decal to soften the adhesive. Use a hair dryer or heat gun on low, moving constantly to avoid paint damage. Apply heat for 30-60 seconds until edges lift slightly, and then stop. Once done, slide a plastic razor under a softened corner while keeping the surface warm, because heat lowers adhesive strength and prevents chipping. Make sure to work slowly and reheat as needed, rather than forcing the blade and risking paint lift or scratches. You continue by peeling the decal slowly at a low angle. Keep heating just ahead of the peel so the adhesive stays pliable. If sticky residue remains, apply an adhesive remover or 70% plus isopropyl alcohol and let it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes so the solvent breaks the bond. Then wipe with a microfiber cloth using circular strokes while applying light pressure. Make sure to alternate heating and solvent steps until the surface feels clean, and you finish by washing the area with warm, soapy water, then rinsing and drying to remove any solvent residue. If the paint feels slightly rough, use a clay bar or light polish to restore smoothness, and then apply wax or a paint sealant to protect the clear coat. Make sure to inspect for any lifted paint. If you see paint damage, stop and consult a professional. If adhesive returns, reheat and repeat solvent steps. Persistent problems mean professional attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.